I'm sitting in a 2019 Toyota Camry. We have one existing fob on the left. The fob on the right was used. I unlocked it with some software to be reused. We're going to do an add approx to it. So go to Diagnostics, North America, Toyota, Camry, 19. I'm going to go to Smart Key 3. Counter keys, there's 2. Program. Okay. The existing key is right here. I have a piece of tape on it. I'm going to touch the button. It beeped once. Now we're going to take the next key without the tape, the one we reset, touch the button, we should get 2 beeps. There we go. 2 beeps. Simple as that, you're done. Nothing more to it. Then we'll test our fob. All right, we're done.